Hey guys, and welcome back to DIY renovations and interior designs with me, Meg Coates. Today I wanted to talk about this viral TikTok. Whoa, okay, I can't believe I have just updated my coffee table with £1.50 bins from Asda. So the coffee table, the top was from IKEA for £6 and I got the legs on eBay and I just wanted to give it another update. So I decided to put a marble DC fix on it and I wanted the sort of Japandi style legs that are all over Instagram at the moment. So here I am just making sure that they're symmetrical and screwing them in. Just checking that they're sturdy, pretty good to go, and this is what it currently looks like. I wanted to give it a bit more pizzazz. I was going to dowel the edges, but my friend suggested this paint, so thought I would give it a good old go. It needed a few layers, and I might have even needed a new tin, but this is the result. This makeover cost me £9.50. I'm very impressed with it. Okay, yep, I've got bins as table legs, but if it looks like this, then who cares? Let me know what you think. So, as you can see, this trusty, sturdy table here has caused a bit of an outcry in my TikTok comments. And I just kind of wanted to run through what I did, why I did it, the inspo that I was looking for when I did this table, and how you could implement it too, or something similar if you wanted to, and how this was literally just a quick fix that I was trying to do before the Six Nations game. So I'll take you right back to the beginning. Let me just dust myself down. This thing about a renovation, you're always dusty, take note. So right back when I bought my first home at the age of 23, 24, I obviously didn't want to spend too much money on interiors because I just bought this house and I was like, OMG, like, you know, big chunk of money just come out my account. I want to keep costs down when we move in. So I was looking at coffee tables and I was thinking like, OMG, why are they so expensive? They were ridiculous. The one I wanted was like 200 quid. And I was just like, right, at this moment in time, I can't justify 200 quid on a coffee table. So I decided to go to IKEA. At the time, I can't believe the price of these now. I'm actually shocked. So before the pandemic, these tabletops, I'll put up some photos of what it looked like before. I think it's called Linmon. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but this was £6.50. Okay, so I bought this tabletop for £6.50. Then I went on to eBay and I bought these hairpin legs like this. They were stainless steel and then I sprayed them gold and I didn't really like them when they were gold, but never mind. And I think I paid £26 for the 4 of them and they also came with screws. And this is just like MDF. It's really like quite lightweight and thin MDF. There's nothing substantial to it at all. So yeah, I bought these. I would say they're about just over 30 centimeters if you are looking to get them. They're just coffee table hairpin legs on eBay or Google or Amazon. I'm sure do them as well. But I know that they were like £26 and the table was £6.50. I popped them together and voila, I had a coffee table. And at the time, it served its purpose. Obviously, I'm not sure if this tabletop was supposed to be used as a coffee table. That's probably why we found after maybe like a year and a half, there was a chip here and then, you know, 2 years later, a couple more chips and so on. So a couple chips happened because it was just laminated MDF really. So then we brought it to this house. Again, we were just like, yeah, just stick it there. It serves a purpose. We'll just use it. Now, if you've been following along our living room transformation videos, you will have known that my other half bought himself a 65 television and it wasn't really going to fit on our wall. I'll pop some pictures up because we had these kind of like picture frame, not picture frame, but picture moldings or dado rails. I wouldn't really call it dado, but on the fire chimney breast, and the 65-inch wouldn't have fitted there. So we had, I think it was like 10 days operation sort out this wall to just make the living room look decent because he wanted to put that on the wall ready for the Six Nations game. Okay, so you can kind of see what the plan was. And then there was just this ugly, chipped, dirty coffee table, white, didn't look great. It didn't, not that the white doesn't look great, but it didn't look great anymore, you know? Sitting there in my living room, and I was like, I don't really want to even put that on any socials at all. It just looks grotty. So I decided, so again, I like following interiors on Instagram, and I think there is a target audience for this type of table. Marble is coming in massively at the moment, and obviously I can't afford a block of marble, I can't afford anything at the moment, milk and cheese. And yeah, so marble's coming in. I spotted this on B&Q and I thought I absolutely love that. I did want sort of like a white marble with like darker blacks going through it, but I couldn't find one. This did the job. £6.50 for a roll. Roll did the whole table, and I've got some left, so that's great. And then I'm gonna pop some photos up here now of the inspiration I wanted for the legs. And again, I can do more, I know, but this was with a 10-day time frame. I will just literally say that again. I could have done a lot of different things. My original plan was to buy the bins, fill them with concrete, and dowel them around and give them a paint in beige. I might still do that. I mean, I can do whatever the hell I want, it's my house. But yeah, so this video has gone viral on TikTok. Well, I say viral, viral-ish, enough to cause outrage in the comments. And I think what's happened is it's gone viral because people who get the interior design style really think it's a good idea, because these type of legs, if they were real stone, cost you hundreds, thousands, no, maybe not thousands, but hundreds of pounds. So I think the people who get it, and the people who don't say horrible things in the comments. And I'm all for a bit of hate. I don't mind it, it makes me laugh. So that was the vibes I was going for in a 10-day time frame, 10-day time frame. And obviously I didn't even start thinking about the table until like the day before. So I was like, I've got 24 hours to do something with this table. And I think it's actually quite nice. I'll try and, so that's the kind of like stone table. As time goes on, I've got plenty of concrete. I don't know if any of you know, but I used to run my own business making items out of concrete. So I am no stranger to working with concrete at all. So yeah, I think what I might do, I've got like concrete dye as well, so I can dye concrete white. I might fill these plastic bins with concrete and dye them, and yeah, and then I'll have real concrete legs. And that wouldn't cost me a lot because I've already got quite a lot of concrete upstairs or in my shed, can't remember where it is now, here already. So I concreted this hearth. You can't really see, you can kind of see I've painted the concrete, but I concreted the hearth. Yeah, I didn't try and make it flat. Don't hate me for that. I just wanted to get it down to get the ash out of the way. So we're gonna get a self-leveling compound to put down there, and then we'll tile over it properly. But yeah, so that is an explanation of how to make your own stone looking table for less than 20 quid. In my TikTok, I say I got it for £9.50 because I forgot. I already had the paint here and I forgot to include that because I only actually spent £6.50 on the vinyl and £1.50 on the bins, plus the paint comes to about £18. I think actually it might be less than that. I'll just say £18. So I made this makeover for less than 20 quid in a hurry, and I can make it better again. It seems a shame to waste stuff, especially in this world of too much waste everywhere. I was going to chuck that in the skip that's out the front. I was going to, that was happening. I was like, if I don't think of a good idea, I'm just going to chuck it in the skip. So what I think I'm going to do, yeah, is fill those up with concrete, and then all will happen then is I can crack the plastic so that the plastic comes off and it will just be 2 concrete blocks basically. Or I might dowel it in the future when I've got a bit more budget. This was just a quick, simple DIY trick basically. So if you're struggling with your coffee table, I know there is a market out there that are interested in this table, who have seen similar ones on Instagram, who would love to do it themselves, and I'd say go for it. The only thing I would say is these legs needed 2 tins of paint or spray paint because I wanted them to look really stone, but because I ran out of paint, you can still see the white bucket behind. So what I might have done if I was to do it again, I'd paint them beige maybe, so that it was like beigey stone going on beige background, just so that I didn't have to spend more money on the spray paint, and I got loads of beige here. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you did, go and check out the TikTok, follow me on TikTok, because that's kind of like where I really experiment with my content. I put things out that maybe I wouldn't put on Instagram or on here. So good luck with your DIY project. Please let me know in the comments if you want to do something like this. 2, if you've got any criticisms, I'm here for it. Let me know in the comment box. Just try and not be rude, because I feel like some people are defending the haters, because at the end of the TikTok I say, let me know what you think, but I'm not asking you to be rude. You know, you can say, oh, I don't like it, it's not for me, and that's fine. But then there's people going like the extra mile and just being horrible, which again, luckily I don't care, because I said to my friend, if it was my face then I'd probably go off and cry, but it's my table, it cost me £9.50, so I don't really care. But some people might, so yeah, I suppose in a world where you can be anything, be kind. I'm gonna leave that there because I've rambled for way too long, and I hope you have an amazing day. If you like more things like this, I'm gonna be doing loads coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button for me. You'll be doing me a massive favor, and I love you so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.